Now we're gonna head over to the old church. See a bell from outside. Probably most of these back then sat on log piers. Depending on the availability of money. Looks like a couple of headstones out behind it. We'll check that out next. Stained glass on the front of it. See a chimney there. There's the old stove. There's all kind of literature in these buildings that tell you about them. Check out the instruments first.
Was this where you did that?
It was in Tennessee.
Yeah.
The old church in Tennessee.
Take that off.
We are gathered here today, and I can see in our audience we have at least one member that's in danger of the hell fire. Well, that one's not in working order today, so we won't hear what it says. We're gonna slip out back and go look at these graves we've seen. We're gonna eat it back here. See what these old headstones were. Several old headstones here.